Hello guys, an update on my trades that just explode right now. XRP, SHIB, Pepe and ETH. ETH is going a little bit behind, but Pepe and XRP is just exploding and it's long trades. Yeah. But tell me about what you did. Comment down below. Look at the XRP trade, it's just going bananas. So much volume coming in. But yeah guys, that was it for me. See you guys later or tomorrow. If you wanna try trade on Bybit, I will put a link in the description, and you can follow my trades on Facebook. I post it right when I open. So, but yeah guys, I posted those trades as well maybe 15 minutes ago. So yeah, let me know. Look at the XRP trade, it's just going bananas. But yeah guys, see you guys later or tomorrow. Bye.